Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making this 3D red and white heart. The way that I'm going to do this project is by first making one red, one white heart and then sew them together. I will be using red and white acrylic yarn, 4mm hook, scissors, and a crochet needle. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing. I post videos weekly. Alright, let's begin. We'll make a slip knot and then make 4 chains. Once you have the 4 chains, we'll join with a slip stitch into the first in order to make a loop. The alternative to that is to make a magic ring, which is also perfectly fine. Next, let's do 4 chains and then we'll work into the circle. Alright, we've done the 4 chains. Next, we'll begin by making 4 double crochets. So yarn over, insert the hook into the circle, pull through, and then pull through 2 and pull through 2 more. And let's do this 4 times in total. So that's 2. That's the third double crochet. And let's make the last. Next, we're going to do 2 triple crochets, or also called treble crochets. For that, you will do yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring, pull through, then pull through 2, pull through 2 more, and then one more time pull through the last 2. So we're going to do 2 of those. So that was the first one, here's the second one. So once you have the second treble crochet or triple crochet, let's do chain 4. And then we'll make a slip stitch into the loop. From here, we're going to continue with making 4 chains and then 2 treble crochets or triple crochets inside the ring. Next, we'll make 4 double crochets into the ring. You can pull on the tail end to close the ring a little bit. To finish off the first round, we'll make a slip stitch on top of the chain 4 to join. We're going to begin round 2 with chain 4. And from there, we're going to do 1 double crochet in the same stitch where we did the slip stitch. So right there. Then we'll continue by making 2 double crochets in each of the next 3 stitches. So that's 1, and here is the second double crochet into the same stitch, and then I'll make 2 more into the next stitch and 2 more into the stitch after that. To continue, we are going to do 1 double crochet and 1 triple crochet in the next stitch, so those 2 will be in the same stitch. Next, let's make 2 triple crochets in the next stitch. Next, we'll make 3 triple crochets in the next stitch. From there, we're going to make 1 double crochet in the first chain of that 4 chains that we did at the top. And then chain 4. Once we finish the chain 4, we'll connect to the middle of the heart in the middle of the ring with a slip stitch, and then we'll finish the second side after that. So that's 1/2 of the heart ready. Let's begin the second half by making 4 chains. And then we'll make 1 double crochet in the first of the top 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's make that double crochet. And then we continue with 3 triple crochets in the next stitch. So basically we're doing the opposite of what we did on the other side. Then we continue with 2 triple crochets in the next stitch. and then 1 triple crochet and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, so those two will be in the same stitch. Alright, so that's done. And now 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. So that's 1, 2 in this one, and then 2 more in the next one. And then we have 1 last stitch left, and that's where we're going to do 1 double crochet and 1 triple crochet in that same stitch. So that's the double crochet and 1 more triple crochet in the same stitch. And now that's done, we'll finish off with a slip stitch, and again count the 4th of the 4 chains right there and make a slip stitch. Alright, so this is our white heart. We're going to make another one just like it in red. To finish it off, you can just cut the yarn, pull it out, cut it, and if you like, you can hide it in the back. Just don't pull too hard so you don't distort the shape. You can use your crochet needle to hide this tail end. And all the materials that I use, I always include those in the description of my video. So if you would like to get the same exact yarn, same needles and hooks, you can just follow those links. They're Amazon affiliate links. Okay, so I have my red heart now. I'm just going to sew these two together. I will be sewing it in a way that it makes this really nice stitch on the side. I really like how it looks, and it also, these two colors make a great necklace or a keychain for March when we celebrate Baba Marta in my home country, Bulgaria. So when I'm sewing it, I only sew the inside part of the stitch. I think it looks great when you do it that way. What you can do is go almost to the end, but leave a small opening where you can put some stuffing, and you can just use a regular pillow stuffing to fill it in. Alternatively, you can also, if you have a lot of yarn, leftover yarn, you can also stuff it with leftover yarn or some type of cloth or fabric. But I have a pillow stuffing available, so I'm just going to use that. So that is about how much I want to leave. It gives me enough room to fit my finger, so I'll fill it in. And then once all of it is in, I will continue sewing to the end. Once you close the entire heart, what I would recommend is tying the yarn, the two ends of the yarn together, and I just stuff them back inside the heart so they're not sticking out, but you can also clip them and cover them up. And then lastly, I will make this into a necklace. So I'm going to make this twisted red and white yarn. We use this twisted yarn for making martenitsas a lot, and just simply tie it. And there you go. You have this super cute stuffed heart. And it's red and white, but you can do all kinds of colors. You can also make it into a keychain or something else. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to support it, and I really hope to see you next time.